Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on the channel. So in this video we are going to talk about web development. So this will be the first episode of the basics of web development course in my channel. So let's get started. So we are going in this video we are going to learn what is a website's front end and also back end. So I'm not going to go really deep in them, but only a brief explanation of it. I'm going to elaborate that one like in the future videos. Like we are going to work with front end stuff, back end stuff in the future videos, so you'll get an idea about that in the future videos. And right now let's start with the front end. So what is a front end? Front end is nothing but what we see in a website and what we interact with the website. Like for example, over here we have a collapsible window. So this is a navigation stuff. So this is a navigation button. So it was actually defined in HTML. HTML stands for hypertext markup language. It is specially made for web developments. So and also every element over here what you guys are seeing here, it is all been defined in HTML. And you guys might be seeing that it's like placed somewhere. Like you can see like these icons are big, and we got like this drop menu and stuff. So these are all because of HTML. And to style them, to make them look good, we use CSS, and CSS stands for cascading style sheet. So it's a style sheet, or like the name already has it, cascading style sheet, and it just helps you to style a website, which is really important. And it's also this course really, like in this course we are going to learn everything about CSS from the scratch and to the advanced. So don't worry about it, we are going to learn it. Like at the end of this series, I'm pretty sure most of you guys might already have a really strong base for web development. And now let's move on to JavaScript. So JavaScript is a logical language. You guys can see over here, it's also in the backend because it also work as a backend. So I'm going to elaborate, like explain you guys what is the backend like in a minute or so. So JavaScript is nothing but what we gave this front end a logical way. Like for example, this is created with JavaScript, I believe so. It's created with JavaScript. I don't know if like they can create it with like HTML and stuff, but for a basic JavaScript you guys can create this. And also you guys can create like complex animation and also some complex things like date and time, showing on date and time and all. And also some of the things that, like let's say this drop down menu and all, like where is this coming from. So these are all been styled and it is in the HTML, but JavaScript is making them possible to be over here like this. And also whenever I hover over something, you will get something like this message telling that tell me what you want to do. This is the message, I'm not telling you guys what you want to do. And also some alt plus q, these are all because of front end JavaScript. So this, like I know it's confusing right now, but you will learn in the future videos. Don't worry about it. Like you guys don't need to learn everything at once. It will take some time, so don't worry about it. So over here right now, let's move on to backend. So backend is nothing but like the logic and every single thing, like from the behind the curtain scenes, like from a movie behind the curtain scene, like the camera, director, everything. Like these are like the directors and cameramans of web development. Like you guys can tell that one. Okay, so in the backend we store like datas about, like let's say you guys created a username and a password with an account. Like there's an account with the password and username and all, and those all been stored in the backend. Like it's in the server, like somewhere else in US or in Singapore, and we are getting it, like we are requesting it to the backend, to saying that I need this information, please can you give it to me. Like, this is the work of backend, and these are some of the programming language you'll need to write backend. Like, you guys don't need to learn every single thing over here. You guys just need to learn like 2 or 3 of them. Like, the famous is Python. I'm pretty sure like this is the easiest language you guys can learn with like the syntax are really easy. And we got SQL, the SQL, and Java, like infamous Java, Ruby, C#, and PHP. Like, these are all for backends, and I will teach you guys some of these. Like, I know few of you. Like SQL, I know how to do SQL. I know Python, and I know JavaScript. I know C#. I'm currently learning JavaScript. I'm currently learning Java. So, like, in the end of the backend, like the starting of the backend, I'm pretty sure I'm going to teach you guys the Java. Like, a series will be starting like basics of Java and all. So don't worry about it. So this is it for this video. We are going to install some like application for to write code and all in the next video. So don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. So, and also hit the bell icon so you guys can get notified whenever I post and other content like something like this. So thank you for watching. I'll see you guys again later. Bye.